What up, Alex?
How's everyone doing?
Oh man, it's a good day.
It was a good day.
We're
We,
we're coast to coast, man.
dude, I think, and I'm not saying this to brag, but I think a lot of people in my I want to brag on the people in the Telegram. I think they got, if they followed my alerts, close out 233% worth of positions today.
Wow, that's amazing, Alex. Was one of them MP?
No, because MP is really expensive now.
Yeah. Which ones did you alert? What'd you put out today?
Okay, let me know in the chat if you haven't emailed me and you want to tell me I would love to hear about your gains. You can just drop them in the Slack channel, or not Slack, Zoom channel.
Oh,
Folks.
pins.
Yeah, we got pins. We got that overnight winner on pins. I got out at 109%. If you held, you probably got 200%. I keep on getting out of these
Nice.
too early, man.
Yeah, I feel your pain.
So you
You,
you 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 you
you, 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 you,
you
you.
reversed, like I said,
Ooh.
look, sometimes we have to hold overnight. And then we had a big old sell off this morning at the open, but then we recovered. We got a, what was that, 19% gain on that overnight. Hun was a flat trade. I don't know what was going on with that, man. The flows were good. We got 2% on that, but it didn't really move much for us. Um,
Talking about Piton?
Hun,
Oh,
H
Hun.
HUN, yeah. I don't even know what they do. Huntsman
What is Hun?
Corporation. ERO though was a great day trade. This was copper. This is a ERO
Ooh,
copper core. Got 88% on
nice.
that. And then the semiconductor chip, Seals Q, it's called LAES is the ticker. LAES.
Oh, nice.
That we got that. That was a 14% winner. So it was a big
Nice,
day, folks.
Alex.
Like, I'd love to hear from you guys. I send these trade alerts out so you guys can hopefully make some money. So if you, oh, nice. Okay, we got some good testimonials coming in.
Yeah, we do. Look at that. I'm gonna grab all those right now.
Well, thank you.
Oh, there's my
David, what'd you do on pin?
screen.
What'd you do on pins, David? Give me some deets, man. You teasing me. Yeah. Hey, Balvinder, I got your emails. Ooh, Vladdy's closing. Ooh, nice. I got your email, Balvinder. I just have a ton of emails today. I've been really actually today was a really busy trading day. Um, I respond to all the emails. Don't worry, I'm gonna get back to you. It might just take me until tomorrow morning. I'm gonna do it before market close or before market opens.
You'll be up all night.
Yeah, yeah. That's why I wake up at 6:30. Um,
There you go.
get all the admin stuff done before the market goes, because you guys know, like, when the market opens, we're hitting it hard. We have like 3, 4 open positions sometimes, closing out positions from the last night. So good job, Gayatri. Sorry if I'm butchering that name. What's up, Jeff? How you doing?
Good. How you doing?
Good. One of our winners was a copper company today, ERO Copper. Um,
Gotta love copper.
I don't know if you ever heard about them. I don't even know
Actually,
what.
I'm long ERO.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Well, nice.
it popped up pretty nice today.
Yeah, yeah, it did. Um, yeah, okay. Vladdy has a good question. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up my scanner here, the free ride scanner. Vladdy's asking, I don't know if everybody can see it, but basically he's asking, I say go 3 to 5% out of the money on calls. It's not just calls. I would say go 3 to 5% out of the money on puts as well. Now that's not a hard and fast rule. Because what you'll see, like, we'll take farther out of the money calls. However, the 20% out of the money is going to be like these Mara calls. If it's a more expensive stock like Mara, like more expensive option like Mara, you might have to go 20% of the money to get a decent price and not drop 600 buckaroos on it, right? But if you go 5% is the best mix of like out of the money, so affordability, um, without being like a YOLO bet, right? So like if you have a 3 to 5%, 3 to 5x, 3 to 5, sorry, 3 to 5% out of the money, it's going to be a little easier for you to get a winner out of that than if you it's more likely the price will rise to that amount rather than a 20% out of the money, which you're going to need a crazy big move for that to happen. Now, if it does rise, like, you know, if you're 20% out of the money and the stock rises by 5%, that 20% out of the money strike you took is still going to probably win. It's still probably going to be up, but I've just found that these are some of the higher conviction ones. These are the ones that, like, they're not just like blind YOLO bets by big money. They're actually pushing price to a spot. And I'm going to explain how this all works on Sunday, but they're actually pushing price to a spot they like. So these 5%, 3% out of the money is the sweet spot for them being able to do that. iPhone, is that Crystal?
That is Crystal.
We're gonna have a I'm recording all the modules, all the training modules when people get this. I actually talked to Nate. I don't know if you saw my video in Telegram, but I know I've been giving these free alerts, and I was like, man, people really like these free alerts. And I thought Nate would make me charge money to give people the scanner, but actually, guess what, guys and ladies? You're gonna be able to get this for free on Sunday.
What?
Yeah. So you have to show up though to get it for free. So yeah, so just be on the lookout for that. Definitely show up. Again, we're doing something really special with this. I think you're all gonna love it.
I feel like at this point I should be putting that link out there so people can go sign up and get in.
Yes. Please do that. We have you can register that link right there, and
get pre-registered, not join yet, but you're getting pre-registered. So you can there on Sunday.
This will make sure you get all the notifications, you know, reminders and all that stuff. But yeah, Bob Ender, I'm looking forward to seeing you there too. So yes, this is the scanner. I've been trading with. I traded with this all day today. I didn't even use my emulator. Everybody can see the scanner, right, Blake?
Oh yeah, that looks great.
Cool.
And it's web-based now too. It's not like on the iPhone emulator.
No, yeah, it's all web-based.
Perfect.
Yeah, Clyde, you'll have everything because you're a Diamond Club member, my man.
There you go.
Let's do some maintenance. Okay, so that MP trade was up 100% still today. It hit 100%, and I don't know. I was watching it. I was like, 100%. 5 minutes go by, still at 100. Why won't it fill? I don't know why it wouldn't fill. But
they hate us. That's
why they do. They want to keep us down, man. We're at 28%. If we look at MP though, it's spiking still. Let's go to the daily chart on MP. I don't think I mean, we had a hard rejection of a low today too. Look at that recovery. So I think I'm still going to hold it. I think, you know, I still want to hold it. I think it will get filled at 100. I think it's just been, I don't know, maybe it's been really volatile or something. But I will sell you, some of these, you know, we go for these every Thursday or Wednesday. Friday, we open the monthly doubles. I'm kind of tired of watching some of these. We're going to be putting on a bunch new trades today. So let's go ahead and get out of some of these. Okay. So IBM, I'm tired of watching this thing. We filled the gap. We were down 25% earlier. I didn't think it was going to stay there. And now it's at 32%. So let's go ahead and close out. I'm going to close out IBM at 165 for about 30% gain. That's that spread we took. And I'm going to close out Cisco because that puppy, I want to break the curse on that one. 13%. I'm going to take it. I'm just going to close it out so we can again open up some more positions on it. MU is up 15%. Let's just close it out too. I want to close out. I don't know if you are going to close it out too, Jeff, but I don't know if you want to stay in, you can. If anybody wants to stay in, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I'm closing it out because I just want to move on. Lock in those profits. And silver we're going to keep because silver is just climbing. We're at 193% on that spread, 196 now. but PBF went against us, right? 85% loss. This happens. Let's go. I'm going to exit at 0.05 if I can, just get 85% loss on that. And Iron, we're still open on Iron. That's at, well, what's Iron doing today? That thing climbed. So it climbed where it's
10%.
It's only at $70.
it's only, yeah, and it's still only at $70. So again, we're still, we sold these 90, so we're still 20 bucks away. So keep that on. Don't worry. Credit spreads are weird with P&Ls. I don't worry about them too much.
Yeah, it'll decay off. They'll grab them.
Yeah, that's November 7th. No, 21st. Yeah, so we have time for that. The MP one is at 28%. Did we set a profit target for MP? Yeah, 70, 100%.
Yeah, we got it at 70 cents.
Yeah, I think we got in for 35. So I'm still holding MP. Again, it's a minerals. We're in mineral mania here. Gonna keep on holding that. And the Pepsi actually recovered nicely, man. We're up 3% on that spread for Pepsi. So that's looking good for us. I'm gonna stay in that. We got, after that sell-off, we're getting a nice little continuation pattern here. So I like that a lot. Gonna keep on holding that. So Laura, that MP trade we took, I don't know, last week, this week, sometime days ago. Again, don't worry about taking positions that we've already opened days ago, because everything's going to be changed, and you know, the same criteria that made it a good trade yesterday or Monday or Friday is not necessarily valid still. So
Yeah, we did that Friday.
Okay, yeah. So definitely we got a whole weekend of movement there. So all right, so that's the stuff for that's the stuff that's just the housekeeping stuff. I wanted to get this done before this, but it's actually turned into a larger project. I'm going to show you guys. I'm doing this research project for you all. I'm doing a little book report for you. I don't know if anybody saw this, but yesterday made headlines. JP Morgan is going to invest $1.5 trillion into the American manufacturing base. So pretty crazy, right? Now this is basically, I found this awesome report. This is like the sub areas they're investing in. What I'm doing, and I'm going to work on this for you all, because I want to like get 3 stocks in each of these sub areas, and we're gonna like get them in a spreadsheet or a PDF or some report, and we're gonna try and trade some of these. This is all gonna be stuff, you can see it here: advanced bulk materials, defense and aerospace, critical components, spacecraft, space launch, energy independence, resilience, nuclear energy, grid resilience, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, sensor hardware. All this stuff is going to be getting a lot of money. The government's investing in it. JP Morgan, the big banks are investing in it. So, and Jeff, I'll send this to you because you might know some better companies than I do, like for a lot of this stuff. So,
well, one of them I'm really interested in down there. Was that say grid resilience?
Yeah, it does.
Really?
Yeah. So tech to help energy networks withstand disruptions.
Right. Exactly.
So there has to be only a few companies that do that too. So
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I bet we can find that.
Yep.
So this is going to be really cool. This is only going to be for profit paying on subscribers. And we might charge $1 to get it, but we're going to have all these tickers in the report.
Only $1. That's a
only
bargain.
$1.
I'll bid $1.
That's a $1 bid ask spread, folks.
That's an extra 1%.
Yeah. Which we gotta jack those margins everywhere. No, it's Chris. Oh, Vladdy's saying he'll pay $2. All right, folks. Well, Vladdy's paying $2, so the auction price just got moved up. Oh yeah. I've never seen that voting. What is that a show? Um, so electrical equipment companies probably. Yeah, interesting. I mean, maybe Dominion. I mean, I have a feeling. Look, this is gonna be a bit of a task for us, but we're gonna get this. It's gonna be good for you guys. I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm not just doing it for you either. I want to know this because I have a feeling many of these companies that JP Morgan's going to shovel trillions into, the government's also going to be interested in taking stakes like they're doing with Intel and MP and Lithium Americas and stuff. So that's that's that. Um, Now, we were talking earlier before we got on here, and you had your scanner here that came up with some good stuff that we're going to look at for some trades today. Um, oh yeah, real quick update. I don't know if you guys were here yesterday. Many of you were. STI,
Yeah,
your scanner showed that yesterday, right?
right.
Woo! Look at that.
It's cruising.
35%.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's really insane. So, what you got some more tickers? What were these tickers? Uh,
Hold on.
Walmart was one of them.
Yeah, it was actually popping up some.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, got a call on Walmart on the wave indicator.
Aha. Figured the wave
And
would.
it showed up on yours. Dude, the synergy between that scanner and my wave indicator is pretty good, I think.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking if you checked it in your wave, see what it said.
Oh yeah, look at that. OpenAI, 3.7% announced a partnership with OpenAI. Oh, dude, that's huge.
Yeah.
Dude, I wonder if ChatGPT could one day replace Amazon.
Ooh.
I know. But like
The
if
way things
they're
are
doing
going, maybe.
Etsy's already doing that, right? This is the same news that jumped up Etsy, I think. I think they were partnering with OpenAI to do checkouts as well. So they're trying to go into the e-com space. Um, man, damn it. Is Jeff Bezos being outmaneuvered by Sam Altman? He's a pretty smart man. I wonder,
Yeah.
I feel like there might be getting left behind though. This is a yeah, because the thing with OpenAI is I don't know if it'll be, yeah, they'll just integrate it into all these systems. Dude, when OpenAI goes public, if it ever does, it's gonna be insane. Though it is a nonprofit, so I don't know how that happens. That was a whole beef between Elon and Altman.
Yeah.
Crystal, we're gonna look at some flows. I actually had to pop on to closing playbook. I'll send them out in Telegram though. Some flows for overnight. Once we get closer to the market ending. Pfizer, yeah. Well, let's look at this Walmart trade. So, okay, so I mean, I like this Walmart again. Are we at all-time highs?
For the most part, yep.
Yeah, Walmart's never been up here before.
Oh wow. What's the what you pay for Walmart? What's a Walmart run you?
The weeklies are like $5 for a 115 call, but I don't know if that would work.
For a 115? I'm seeing
Yeah, 115 that expires on Friday. It's only $5. It's kind of a lot of
5 cents, you mean?
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's Friday. And that's $10, $12 out of the money. Well,
Mm-hmm.
not,
Yeah,
it's $7 out of the money.
that'd be a lottery ticket.
The profit line is 115. What if we go, what's November 21st at 115?
Well, now hold on a second here. So if you go out to next Friday, you can buy a 108 call. I mean, If you want something under, you can buy a 111 call under $1.
Holy cow, those are cheap, huh?
Those are pretty cheap.
And if you add a week, you can do the 112 call for under $1. So that gives you about 2.5 weeks at 17 days.
We're at all-time highs too. I mean, I feel like I just want to see this. I don't the profit diagram option on option strat doesn't really, I don't know if it's as indicative, just because like usually there's not as much math involved with long options. It's basically like I need the stock to go up, whereas like spreads and stuff, which we usually use this for. You saying the October 24th?
17 days out. Is that the 24th?
31st? That'd be the 31st.
Yeah, October 31st. And
was
you
the
do a
one
112.
in 10 days we could get a 62% winner if it hits that. I'm interested. Let me see. I just want to see one thing. Then on Walmart, let's look at the look at the guy sweeps. Oh, that's okay though. This is more of a standard setup swing trade.
Well, that looks better.
It does look better. 76 bucks. Goes to 11 by, you could still, I mean, we could be 111, 150. We're at 107. It moved up $5 today. Basically only a $4 move. So we would need a $4 move. No. Yeah. A $4 move basically anytime by next Wednesday in a week.
And your target on your wave indicator is what, 115?
Is 115. So if it were to move higher, we'd get better. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if we could get a 300% winner if it moves faster. I don't hate it. I like it actually. So I know we do a lot of spreads. Let's mix in some calls with this one. Let's do this. I mean, we're at all-time highs. It's moving up strong. I mean, we look at this also consolidation pattern, really hardcore, kind of multiple bounces off.
Yeah. It was just not going anywhere. And all of a sudden it went pop.
Yeah. So let's ride the momentum here. We had a pretty good volume on this too. Let's ride the momentum. Let's see if we can do this. So we're gonna do, what was that? 24th, 111.
24th. Let's see, it's 10 days out. 111 call. You get that for 75 cents.
Yeah, I bet we can get it for 74 even.
Yeah, I'd probably get it for 73 even.
Yeah, let's see if we can get it for 73. Okay, so silver ticker from yesterday. It's probably just SLV, Crystal. I don't remember talking about silver really. Or I guess we did, but it was just SLV. Laura, I'm typing it out right now.
I'm taking this one too. I like this.
October 20. Oh, let me put in the. I like this because I don't have to actually line break with just the regular 111 call at. Try and get 73, but I'll let you know if we get filled on that. 24th October, 25, $111 call, 73. Let's see if we can get filled.
I got mine. It's sitting there at 73 right now.
I got filled at 73. Already up 1%. All right, cash out. Instant money glitch.
What? I'm filled at 73.
Nice.
Oh, there it goes. How'd you guys get filled before me? What's up with that?
Fast fingers, dude. Is the volume what volume are you talking about? I'm seeing 20 million shares traded today. Oh, dude, this is. Oh yeah, I'm liking this even more. Actually, look at this, folks. I'm liking when we opened a lot. Actually, look at all this new volume got opened up at this strike today. So we're like, this is good.
That's what you're looking for too, because it's pretty skewed to the call side right now. Like it's heavy. If you look at the put side, it's nowhere near the call side.
Yeah. This is yeah. The ratio is really high to the call side.
Yeah.
Ooh, this could be a spicy one. I like it.
What happened to AMD when they partnered with OpenAI? Oh yeah, they ran 30% overnight.
Yeah, man, if Walmart could do a 30% move, that would be
Nuts.
Yeah.
The market really would be broken then. That's sick though. All right. Well, cool. I might send this out to my Wave Trader members too, actually, so people get that as well. Because I know some of them aren't on this. How many people have the Wave Trader alert service here? Probably not. Probably not. I don't know if the majority or not.
Rich does.
Yeah, Rich is a Diamond Club, man.
Oh, he's got everything.
Yeah, he did. Rich, how much did you make today, Rich? Like $2,000? $3K.
Nice.
Man, that's
That's a
awesome, man.
good day.
I
That is
got
a
your
good
email, Rich.
day.
I'm gonna respond to you. I just got a ton of emails in the old inbox. So we had a pretty busy day. Yeah, you've been crushing it, my man.
If I made 3K, I think I'd take the day off.
Well, Rich made 11K. I think was it Rich? Maybe it's somebody else, but someone made 11K on the day. Maybe it was Jason. I was like, yeah, bro. Like he's like, I'm done.
I'd take a vacation.
Yeah, he was like, I'm done for the day. I was like, yeah, man. Yeah. Walk
Head to the
away.
beach.
Yeah, Crystal, if you do want to become a member of Diamond Club, go ahead. You can drop your name or your email. I mean, we know your name, and your number. We can get one of our team to reach out to you. Just let me know.
I can do that for you. If you put your stuff in there, I'll send it over.
So we want to get 50% on this, or you want to try to get more?
I'm not setting a target on this. Well, I guess let's just because it's not as mathematical as like a debit spread. Let's just see. I mean, we could get. I mean, if this goes up to the profit target line of 115.
Oh well, then we're going to do real well.
Yeah, we're going to make like hundreds of percentage, 400 to 500%. So
right.
So let's see. A good question for all my European friends or people in different time zones. Put your name in the chat, your email, or sign up for that link. Blake can drop that. Just sign up for that link. And we'll make sure you get like a recording. Maybe we'll send it to you, and so you'll still have a chance to get in.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Rich did core weave. Yeah.
Ooh, nice. Can you grab these? Did you see Vol Paul? He wants to maybe Diamond Club it up too.
Heck yeah, Diamond Club it up.
Yeah. So, Rich, that's sick, dude. The core weave. I think we got a 502% on that.
Yeah, it was a big move on that thing.
Yeah. Oh, Vladdy's waking up. Vladdy's waking up at 2 a.m. You're in Israel, right, Vladdy? Hey, how you liking that peace deal, man? That's awesome to see that we're moving forward with something good.
Oh, awesome, Rich. Fantastic.
Oh, heck yeah. What's up, Alan? Oh, was it a big holiday? Nice. Yeah. That's just because of that. There was like a new holiday.
I'm just gonna put your Diamond Club link. We got a bunch of people asking. I'm just gonna put it in the chat.
Okay, yeah. So that's like a little like pre-screening chat. I will say Diamond Club is, you gotta, we have to talk it through with people, make sure they're the right fit. So Blake's gonna drop that link in there. Just go ahead and fill it out, and one of our team will reach out to you and talk to you about it. Feast of the Tabernacles. Nice.
Okay, here's the link for everyone.
Feast of Booths. Okay.
Yeah. Interesting.
I can't wait till I can just put all these links in the bottom, and then everybody can just scroll down and click on them.
Oh yeah, we're going maybe if you're on some of the other live streams, we're going to that same web-based platform instead of Zoom on Friday. So it's gonna be easy to to just log on. You don't have to like open Zoom or anything. I like it a lot better.
It's nice. And I've got a video before we jump into what Geof has. I'm gonna play like a 5-minute video. Well, actually, you know what? I'll do that tomorrow. We won't do that today. We'll do it tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. I mean, we're doing it Friday, right? That launch.
Yeah, so we'll put the video out for the next couple of days. We won't do it today.
Okay. Okay, cool. Oh, crazy earnings plays. Good question. I mean, it is earnings season. I've been busy getting this ready. I haven't even paid attention. The banks are reporting still, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Last I saw, Wells Fargo was the only one that was really doing well. Tell you about another earnings. Look at ACI. Good old Albertsons.
Ooh. Let's take this off. So does have another call actually. Oh, actually, they did have a call and wave indicator, didn't it? Albertsons. Is this a grocery company?
It is.
What do they own? Kroger?
Yeah, they're like a Kroger. They're a lot like Kroger.
I mean, is it? Do they own Kroger or is it different?
No, I think they're totally different.
Okay. Is there like a store called Albertsons?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah, when I was back in they are owned by Kroger.
They're owned by Kroger. Okay.
Okay. But no, when I was out in Texas, that's the only grocery store we had.
Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I've never been on the ground in Texas actually. I've only ever gone through the Dallas Fort Worth airport.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I want to check it out. I like Texas. Luga. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna call you Luga, man. Luga's in Texas.
Yeah. Yeah, I've traded Albertsons quite a few times. Of course, recently it's been moving down, but after their earnings this morning, they've kind of reversing. Look at the volume on that thing.
There is a lot of volume. Oh, this might be a good play too. Oh, what's this ticker? ACI?
ACI.
What's the wave indicator showing? Where's our profit target now?
I came up with a call on it.
Yeah. $22.
Where's it trading now?
It's $19.
So it's only a $2 run.
Yeah. Huh. What was the earnings? I wonder what was the guidance on it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't follow the guidance side of things. I just look at it and say, hey, it's up, so their earnings were good, or the market liked it. I'll put it that way.
Yeah. Forecasts. Well, the analysts are always wrong. 24 bucks for 12 months. Nah, dude. It's not giving me what I want. Oh, here you go. Annual forecast. Prior forecast. All right.
So they increased their forecast.
They increased the lower end of their forecast. The
Right.
higher end is still 2.75.
Right.
Oh, look at this. Share buyback plan
By
750 million, and we have 17 17 million times. Hey, can you do some math for me, Blake? Are you around? I don't know if you're modding something else.
I got a calculator in my hand.
Okay, can we do 17 million? 17, just do 17. 17 million times 19.
It's 323 million.
That's it? And they're doing a share buyback of 540 million? That's crazy. That's like 1.5 times their whole.
You're saying they only
volume.
have 17 million outstanding shares?
So, well, no, well, I guess that's not true. The volume today is 17 million shares.
Okay.
Let's.
Okay.
What are outstanding? What are the outstanding shares on it? I wonder if TradingView can show me that.
Actually,
Let's see. How many outstanding shares? ACI.
they have
559 million shares. So 559 million times 19, I guess. It's like a couple
got
billion.
23 million short.
I don't know if that's high or normal or.
It's only the ratio is only 3.9, so no, that's not. That's only 5% of the stock that's short.
Right.
So
19. Let me see. See, I basically have, what is this? Let me do my little All right, so they have about 10.6 billion total market cap. Oh, I could have just seen that right here. I don't know. That seems like a pretty significant buyback program, though, if I'm being honest.
yeah,
And what's really cool is in the so we can figure out on the 24th of October, these I'm seeing a lot of extra volume here over here. Look at this. About 3.5 times extra volume for the 24th at 15 cents. Bit wide bid ask spread, but that's okay. I know I was telling you in the options training yesterday not to do it, but not if you don't have like a a decent level of experience. But if you do, it's you just have to know what you're playing with. But if we do get a move, it doesn't a significant enough move. So this is for the $20 strike.
next week.
Yes, next week. Maybe we want to go longer out. I don't. What did I say the strike was? That on that? That's the $20 strike.
Yeah, but you can probably get the
70-cent move. Let's see what would happen.
you
What were
do
you
the
saying?
31st, 17 days out. The $20 strike is an extra 5 cents. I'd pay
Yeah,
$5 for 7 more days.
and we would still, and if it moves up just 70 cents, basically we're gonna get. Let me just check this profit diagram. By next Friday, if it moves up, let's just say it goes up 60 cents. So 33% basically on, let's do 8.5% by next Thursday on the 31st. If it moves up to that same amount by next Thursday, be down. I don't know. What do you think? 24th to 31st?
Well, if we're going to do an outright call, I'd prefer the 31st myself.
I also concur. Buy a little bit more time.
And not only that, but if we get to the target of 22, we'll still get paid real well.
Yeah, let's open up the range a little bit. All right. Y'all ganged up on me. Let's do it. The 31st. What can we get? The only thing is I don't see I don't see the same volume profile there. I don't see like a lot of pop and volume at the $20 though. Well, it's 186 to 0. It's a 20-cent spread though instead of no wait, there's like 20s. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the chat. We're just thinking through it. All right, let's have a battle. Let's have a battle of options. We're gonna have a battle of options. So I'm gonna take the 24th and Geof and Blake, if he wants, are gonna take the 31st. We're gonna see which one works out. I'm gonna let you guys decide which one to take.
I'm in. I'm buying time. 31st.
All right, I'm gonna put both of them in the chat. So 24th October 25. This is ACI. ACI 24th October 25. $20 call. $20 call. Let me just make sure I'm not. Let me just make sure I'm looking at things right. Yeah, I'm going for it. It's Tuesday. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. All right. Why not the weekly? Because the weekly we have 3 days left. You know, we've had big moves already. It might take a little bit of time. Okay, $20 call.
I just put the one in there for you. That's the one I took.
Alex. And okay, so that's Blake. This is Alex. That's Blake and Geof. This is Alex. Let's see which one. I might lose this one, folks. I gotta be honest, but I want to see if I can get that big winner. It's $20. So I'm gonna say we're gonna look for this to hit $20 basically, and then we'll reevaluate our position.
The duel of the options.
The duel of the options. We need to play that like episode 1 Star Wars.
I was gonna say the duel of the fates, man.
Yeah.
So we're going Rogue One.
Yeah.
Yeah.
17 cents per contract. I'm gonna try and get in for 17 to mine.
Oh, now you're gonna make me want to listen to that. Dun, 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 dun.
Dude, it's so good. I kind of want to watch
It's so
the prequels.
good.
I want to watch the prequels anyway. I feel like the prequels got hate.
They
feel like
did for absolutely no reason. 1,
Yeah.
2, and 3 are like some of the best movies ever, but they're
Yeah.
slow. If you're not a real fan, 1 can be hard. It's a little slow.
It is, but 2 is good, and then 3 is pretty good.
Oh my gosh, I think 3 is probably the best
Hey,
of all the prequels.
bring up your unusual flow. See if ACI is in there today.
That's a good. There you go, Geof.
Let's see. Well, I'll do this one first. Nothing on the sweeps, but you know that's not as. Let's see if ACI is in there.
Oh my gosh, it is.
For October 17th. These dates are still wrong. They're pushing the updates, folks, for the dates tonight after the market closes. But oh, this is spicy.
Yeah.
This is spicy.
What is that? 4,300?
Yeah. Yeah, we can look at it. We can see what it looks like just for this week. What was this? Oh, they already moved. It already moved.
Yeah, what time was that?
That was at 11. So,
Oh wow.
but you can see how all of those new opening contracts on ACI here, they were at the October 17th, so this Friday. Look at that. A ton of new contracts opened. And let's go ahead and look at the 3-minute chart for this puppy, because look at that. I think there was a big sell-off in the early morning in the wee hours. Go away, indicator. Yeah. So we sold off to $17 and we've rallied right to that amount, right to 19 and actually a little above it.
Yep.
My entry on that, what did I say? Was 17 cents. But I think 20 is okay. 20 cents is okay. Lou got in at 23. So very cool. All right.
Laura did both of them. So
Ooh.
she's going to find out who wins.
Yep. All right, Laura. You gotta tell us. Nice. What are the other?
Oh, we've been cruising along here a little bit. So, we can look at well, I don't know if you want to look at UAL or not. Some people are just totally against airlines.
Airlines are hard to trade.
They are.
Real quick though, weren't we talking about NXE? Did you tell me about this?
Yeah.
NXE's popping.
Yeah.
Alex, what was your entry on ACI? What was the price?
ACI was 20 or 17 cents. I don't know what
Okay.
Bill, I don't know. The bid is 0 on both. That's not true.
That ain't right. Make sure you're looking at ACI and not some other ticker.
Yeah. How much are you guys up on ACI right now? I'm
Down.
I'm up 2.94%.
I'm down $1.50.
That's not
breaking.
it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Well,
I'm
the thing
breaking
is we are both going to win. If it moves in either of the directions, if it moves in the direction we both want, we're both going to win. So this is the best gamble ever because we're just going to be playing around with who wins the most, right? We'll all be winners.
Right.
All right. Oh yeah, NXT. So I want to show you guys something. So I'm gonna be watching. What? Wait a second. Did y'all see that?
LAC.
All right. Wait. I saw NXT. Actually saw NXT sweeps coming in a second ago before we got on profit panel. Good to close, Barry is not. I'm not setting a good. You can set it if you want. I'm gonna see if we can just run this thing. They're so cheap, you know. Let's see if I'm gonna see if I can get like a nice triple, multi-triple digit winner. Whoa.
Well, good old Lithium America there's moving on.
Yeah, it is. And
Oh
we
my
got
gosh.
sweeps coming in.
I'm gonna have to roll these calls I'm in, huh?
Oh shit, you in calls?
Yeah, for LAC, they expire this week. I'm gonna have to roll those.
Yeah, you could. Are you winning?
Break even now. I had a bad entry. I think I played their earnings.
Oh, nice.
It didn't work.
Yeah, running into the to the I don't know what it's called. The front line. All the soldiers trying to stab you, playing earnings.
Oh yeah.
Actually, interesting thing I read. Did you know medieval knights, when they landed, like with their, galloping at 30 miles an hour, when they actually hit somebody with their javelins, it would be like the impact of like an 1850s musket ball.
Oh,
Isn't that crazy?
yeah.
So like imagine you're like a little peasant with a pitchfork and you're being told to like stand in the front lines and these like giant knights just come galloping towards you. That'd be scary, dude. That'd be so scary.
I'm out. Dropping the pitchfork.
Yeah. I'm running away to the next fiefdom.
Live to fight another day.
Yeah. Yeah, Carl. So Lithium Americas, I don't know. I don't think you've been around for too long. Actually, have you this is your first profit panel? Anyways, so a couple weeks ago, or maybe it was a month ago, we played LAC because the government said they were going to buy stakes in LAC, actual equity stakes. We did this research. They're actually buying stakes in LAC. So they've been cruising since then. It was here and then here, and then they've sold off. It's been. I mean, yes, they've been sold. They sold off, but I mean, they're still hanging above the 9. So, but these are all coming in repeated hits, ascending fill. This means whoever's placing these orders does not care what price they're getting filled at. They're going to take a couple cents loss because they're so confident it's going to pop higher that they're cool with that. So, and this is for 1017. We got some 1121s. The majority are for $10 at 1017, which is not that far away.
It's 3 days.
Yeah. And the price is like what, 15 cents away. I wonder what we can get this for. Wow, look at that skew. What a skew. What a skew. I attached the wrong thing. Check this out. So 10-17. Look at all this. Look how much call volume is here versus put volume. Look how much call volume is here on November 21st. This is a little more expensive. I don't really want to play $195. I will play the 80 cents though. The 80 buck one. Yeah. Now let's just see. There was no puts on that, right? There's really no, man, that's crazy. Let's check one thing here. Let's go over here. Let's just see if there's any. Okay, there's nothing. Wow, interesting. I love these. I love when you find these divergences because these are two different scanners. They scan for different things. This came in at 6 minutes ago. All right, folks. This is a trade. Let's go. I'm going. Let's do this. LAC. These are all buy to open orders. I just hope everyone knows that. Don't be selling these options. It's already at 85. LAC 17 October 25 was a $10 call. $10 call. Okay, so let's see if we can get into some. Let's see if we can get into something. It said I'm gonna try and get in at 85. Just be really aggressive with it. Don't think I'll get filled. I did get filled.
Yeah, so did I.
I got filled at 85 cents. So yeah, the Walmart, the Walmart. Yeah, I'm gonna hold. We'll look at it tomorrow. I know we're down almost immediately on that. But let's just hold till tomorrow. Again, there was the wave indicator was a call. Geof scanner had momentum breakouts, and not only that, but there was a good amount of what I look for is volume, is a lot of higher volume versus open interest, Sandy. It's a key component of how I trade, how like I use the scanners. So I think it'll be okay. But again, this is a a straight option. So these are going to be a little more topsy-turvy than otherwise. Obviously never risk. Yeah, Greg, if you're late, you're probably going to be doing better than us. Congratulations on that. Jimmy, I'm reading what you're saying, Jimmy. I just Oh, nice. Yeah, Jimmy, that's awesome. I hope some of the trades I've been sending you have contributed to that, man. But congrats. Jimmy's grown his account 138% since Liberation Day. So everybody, give a shout out to Jimmy.
Hey, awesome job. I'll
Yeah.
clap for that.
Very good stuff, man. Very good stuff indeed. All right. So though, I mean, we gave a ton of trades today. This is fun. I got it. Let me run. I'm gonna go send this out to my Telegram, this overnight sweep thing, and want to get into Jeff's training he's got teed up today.
Yes, we need to get into that.
Alrighty. Yeah, I mean, this one is a gold trade. We actually got out of a trade in this program yesterday, and
there's some winners. Some Rich got some good money on it.
Yeah. So then we are waiting for it to set up once again. I was hoping gold would pull back with silver and copper this morning, but it said not happening. So hate buying it at all-time highs. It just drives me nuts.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, but yeah, both gold and silver. I mean, I was actually telling Alex earlier, I'm getting confused on crude oil and silver now because they're both about $50.
Yeah.
So now when I look over there, I'm like, which one is that? So, but let's rock it and roll it and go from there.
Let's start it up, and then people are asking for other trades in the chat. I'll repost them while this is rolling.